Hi, I'm Kayla. This is my summer 2021 work term. This is my last work term. It's going to showcase all the things I learned this summer, and with my last work term as too, it's kind of carried over. I kind of always knew I wanted to do freelancing, so this is kind of how I did it. So I worked alongside Studio Nova, which is a former Illuminati from the art and design program. Her name's Tennille. She's taught me a lot of the business side to freelancing, which is extremely important. So the first link is a behind the scenes video, and the second link is some of our photos side by side. So some connections I made through my work term. One of them was Sunshine Skillet. One of them was Sweet Stems. I also worked alongside other local people in Medicine Hat, and then just the boudoir community as well. So each photo has a link to a video that you can click on. Some more connections I created. The one in the middle is Kenny Do My Hair. I do lots of her photos and videos for her account and her business. Another one on the far right is Streets. The owner of Streets reached out to me and asked if I could do a video for them for their Instagram, so that's just that. Those photos all have links to videos as well. So another one that I did was we taught a workshop the first 8 weeks of my work term. So this was definitely hard for me as I'm not really a public speaker, but I learned that I knew more than I actually thought, and I knew more than someone who knew nothing. So I had something to share and I had something to give. So more of what I've learned, pretty much put yourself out there. Reach out to your ideal clients. This will help you build clientele. When you work for hard things, things will fall into place. So just keep going at it. Try your best. You're going to do things you don't love all the time, but this is going to create connections and more clientele. Organization. This will always be important. Business, business, business. Promote yourself. And then in the end, pretty much nobody has it figured out. So just keep going at it. Do you want to freelance? Things you're going to need to do is promote yourself. Use Instagram. Post as much as you can. Make a schedule. On the far left, I use this app called Preview. This allows you to set up content to then post, and it's really nice. Also, do things for free in college so that when you get out, you'll have clientele that will book you. So these are some tips that I found along the way to help create my business. Wix. This is a website creator. There's other website creators, but I like this one. This one's user-friendly. In school, create a portfolio that you're going to use after school. So I created my portfolio through Wix, and this helped me out a lot so that when I finished school, I just had a portfolio I could show. Opening a business. So step 1, trademark your name, then go to your bank and open up a business account. Then people will be able to pay you. Wave. This program is free. It's absolutely amazing. It allows you to send invoices, give estimates, receive money from clients, and track your business expenses. This will help you during tax time. And there's lots of tutorials on YouTube about it, so it's really easy to use. Pixie Set. This is to send photos to your clients. It will compress them for web and it will compress them for print. Absolutely amazing. I love it. You can also use Google Drive, but this won't compress your photos. But Google Drive is amazing for sending videos. Lawdepot.ca. I had the hardest time creating contracts. I'm not very good with words, so I paid $100 for a year for this, and this is something I can write off of my taxes. It's for anywhere in Canada, so you just click your region and put that in, and then you can create a contract. Organization. This is different for everybody. I use a daily planner. It's absolutely amazing. I also use the calendar on my phone. Find something that works for you and stick to it. So my advice, follow what feels natural to you and the rest will come. So the first link is just a funny TikTok video from where I started versus where I am now. And then the last link is my final project.